earlier lessons, we covered many concrete implementations and practical tips. But remember, the AI field moves very fast. New models and approaches appear almost every week. Today, let's lift our heads a bit. Instead of focusing only on ComfyUI or a single open-source model, we'll take a broader look at what AI can actually do right now and how powerful it has become. Older AI behaved more like decision trees following fixed rules. Modern AI is much smarter and far more versatile. It can be a companion for daily chats and emotional support. It can role-play characters with a given backstory. It can even act as an expert in a particular domain and answer specialized questions. Multimodal models can understand images, audio, video, and other data types that lets them engage in deeper, richer interactions. And AI no longer just reads text in a robotic voice. It can clone and mimic a given vocal timbre for high-fidelity speech synthesis.
I have a dream. To conquer fear, you must become fear.
It can follow precise directions to play a specific role and generate voice with personality and character.
To conquer fear, you must become fear.
To conquer fear, you must become fear.
To conquer fear, you must become fear.
Combined with digital human tech, this enables voice calls, virtual customer service, and fully character-driven dialogue experiences.
Hi, I'm your personal assistant. Glad to be of service.
Beyond voice, AI can also compose music.
Between the light and death, rise from the silence, the glory and the pain.
The results are subjective. Some pieces may lack a certain soul, but generating BGM for your projects is definitely doable. We've already covered a lot of practical tips for image generation in the tutorials. Current tools can produce highly realistic portraits with no obvious AI feel. They can create poster-level design work, and they're capable of e-commerce product images too. Image editing and reference-based workflows are very practical. Changing outfits or swapping faces is no problem. Video is even more attention-grabbing than images.
I don't think they
In
are
the tutorials, we showed how to combine prompts, first and last frames, and reference videos to generate video. With some creativity, you can produce dance video re-renders. Multi-character
I got my
skits.
bank card. What should I do?
I suggest you call the bank to report it lost first, then get a new one issued.
Huh? Can't I just pick it up?
I live
Long
under
monologues.
the conditions that please you, in peace with yourself, to make a hash of life.
Historical
The front lines
event
of
live
Handan.
streams.
The state of Zhao is falling. We are witnessing the end of an era.
Special effects greeting videos.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Smart videos. Product demos, and more. You could even make a promotional clip for something like the Winter Olympics. When AI gains the ability to interact with devices, it unlocks even more capabilities. Tools like the Dabao phone and the recently viral OpenClaw let AI operate your devices and execute complex task chains, turning it into a personal assistant, Jarvis style. Give it a real robot body and the possibilities expand further. It can serve as a concert backup dancer with ease. In recent robot showcases, hosts, performers, and even the audience were all AI-enhanced robots. This tutorial series ends here. AI is evolving daily, and no single course can cover every model or scenario. Still, this series gives you a solid foundation. With it, you'll be better prepared to meet challenges, seize opportunities, and maybe even take off. Special thanks to Olares for their cooperation and support. In this era of rapid iteration, open-source systems and ecosystems remain vital paths for learning and practicing AI. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.